Here I have iPad 10th generation, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off or turn on front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly, let me take some front camera photo just to show you like an example of how it works. So I take this one, and now to disable it you go to settings, then you go to the camera section and you have mirror front camera here. So you just disable it like this, and now let's take another photo. And yeah, so as you can see, these photos are mirrored because on this one we have this camera part coming from the right side and on this one from the left side. And also like these tubes, they go like this, like I don't know what else, like this cable, the red one I mean. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.